So I want to show you guys how I make my oats pancakes. So I like to blend it so it to come out in a very powdery form. And no, this is not compulsory. You don't have to blend it, okay? But I just like blending mine, okay? This is how it came out. So now I'm gonna crack 3 eggs. Now I'm putting my honey. I don't use sugar. And I pour one of this milk. If you're lactose intolerant, you can decide to skip the milk, okay? So I just mix. Add a bit of water. So this is how it came out. So I'm gonna pancake it and show you guys. So I'll just put that much oil and spread it. Now I'll just put in the mixture. Now I'm trying to. So now you just flip. You just flip it. Just like so. Just like so. And that's it. So I sprayed some honey on it. See? Looks good, innit?